An SEO guide to HTTP status codes. Learn more about the different HTTP status codes, what they are for, their real world impact for SEO, and how to determine which codes exact on a website. One of the most important assessment in any SEO audit is determining that hypertext transfer protocol status codes exact on a website. These codes can become complex, often turning into a hard puzzle that must be solved before other tasks can be completed. For instance, if you put up a page that all of a sudden disappear with a 404 not found status code, you would check server logs for error and assess what exactly happened that page. If you are working on an adult, other status codes can be a mystery and further digging may be required. These codes are segmented into different types. IXX status code are informational codes, 2XX codes are success code, 3XX redirection codes are redirects, 4XX are any codes that fail to load on the client slide or client error codes, 5XX are any code that fails to load due server. The originating server of the site understands, is willing and able to fulfill the request of the client via the upgrade header field. This is especially true for when the application protocol on the same connection is being used. Crawl your site using the setting that you are comfortable with. All of your site URLs will show up at the end of the crawl. Look for the status code column. Here we'll see all 200 OK 2XX based URLs. Also known as temporary redirects rather than permanent redirects. They are a concern of the 301 redirects with one important difference is they are only temporary. You may find 302 instead of 301s on site where these redirects have been improperly implemented. Usually they are done by developers who don't know any better. The other 301 redirection status codes that you may come across include multiple choices. Error 400 bad request 4034 bidden 404 not found.